Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So for this week's video, we are doing an at-home brow tint. Yes, I have an at-home brow tint right here. I got this from Target. I believe it was only 15 bucks. I actually really like the way they turned out. I have no brow products on right now, and this is what they look like. So if you guys want to see how I did this brow tint at home, then please keep watching. Okay guys, so like I mentioned in the beginning, I do have the Ardell brow tint right here. It is a medium brown. It's cruelty-free, vegan, paraben, and gluten-free. So it looks like this right here. Medium brown, I think that's the correct shade. I think they had a lighter shade, but I think that was just going to be too light. So I decided on the medium brown. This is what it looks like. Now, I've never done this before. I've never even gotten it professionally done. I did just see this at Target one day and I thought that was really cool, and I have been wanting to my brows, but since we're in quarantine, we're not allowed to go see anyone, so it hasn't been a possibility. So I thought, why not try this at home first? I did watch 2 other YouTube videos before this. I'll link them down below. So I'm probably like a pro at this now. Just kidding. I'm probably just as nervous as you are if you guys are watching this video to do this at home. But I have good faith in myself. I should be able to do this. You can see this is what my brows look like. I haven't gone to a brow lady since before quarantine, I think. And even at that, like, it had been a while. I believe the last time I've been to a brow lady was in February, which is insane because it's already the end of July. So it's definitely been a while. I have been able to grow out my brows a bit. I feel like before my brows were even more sparse than this. So you guys can see like it is growing right in here, but I feel like it's really sparse on the outer corner and the inner corner right here, especially this one. And I always have such a trouble with my brows. I don't know why I can't get them right. So I'm excited to try this. I feel like it'll make getting ready just that much easier in the morning as well. I definitely want that like really quick, like to go look that I don't have to do much. So in the box right here, this is what it looks like. It comes with the little kit right here, as in the carrier case, the spatula, and the eyebrow comber right there, or mascara one, I guess I should say. Then right here is the Ardell Brow Tint Conditioning Developer. And then you have the tint powder right there. So I believe it says, okay, it has 12 application and it lasts 2 weeks and safe and easy to use. So being able to do this every 2 weeks is really great. I think that is worth it to me. And again, it should only take like 10 minutes to do. It should be really quick. So for every 2 weeks, I think that's great. It comes with instructions. If you guys watch my videos, you guys know I usually don't read instructions, but for this one we are definitely going to read just to make sure. Okay, it says, let's see, what does it say? Okay, brow tint. Tinting the eyebrows. 1, preparation. Prepare brows by washing with soap and water. Dry thoroughly. That is what I did already. Second step is mixing. Squeeze a pea-sized amount of the conditioning developer into a plastic tray. Shake the tint bottle 3 to 4 times into the developer and use a plastic spatula to thoroughly mix the tint until it is a smooth consistency. Then you're going to apply the mixture generously to one brow at a time using the small brush provided. For a precise application, be sure to apply the mixture of the shape of your desired brow to clean up around the edges to avoid any accidental staining of the skin. Now, processing. Set a timer for 10 minutes after application is completed. Once the processing time is complete, remove the color from the brow area with a damp towel. Allow eyebrows to dry thoroughly to see color results. If a slightly darker color is needed, reapply brow tint for another 3 to 5 minutes and then just remove. Okay, so that's pretty easy. One of the girls I watched, she like did it for a bit and then she didn't feel like it was dark enough, so she went in again and it turned out really nice. But we're gonna just start with the 10 minutes. And in the video before, she definitely prepped her eyebrows, so I'm just gonna go in and see if I need to do like any tweezing or any cleaning up. I really love this mirror right here. This is by Fancy. It's an LED mirror, so you should be able to get like really up close to see, oops, your eyebrows. So you can see it comes in 2 different color tones. So let me see real quick. So I'm just gonna go in with a eyebrow shaver right here and just clean up anywhere I think it's needed because I don't want it to pull any hairs. Now I'm gonna go in with my tweezers as well, just to clean up any areas. If there's no hair there, that means that it won't grab onto anything, so you really want to make sure you shape your brows as best as you can. I did kind of clean up my brows the other day, so that you shouldn't need too much work. Now ready to go to, I'm not going to use a damp towel to clean it. I'm just going to use little cotton pads right here and my cellular water. In the video I watched before, her name was Olivia, I believe. She used my cellular water and she used Q-tips to clean up any mistakes that she made. That way it doesn't stain your skin. So I'm going to have those ready on hand as well. Okay, so I am going to do it a little differently from what the instructions say, just because I watched a video on it and I like how hers came out. So I'm going to listen to the way she did it. So she started with the case right here. And what she did was, ooh, they said to shake this first. She says that she does about 12 shakes. I'm going to just see how much comes out with one shake first. Okay, I can see why she does 12. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Ooh, that might be enough. A little bit more. Okay. So that's about how much I did. I don't know if that's enough. Okay, we'll see. Okay, now the developer's right here and it says do a pea size. She said that she did about 4 drops. I think there's a stopper on it. Yeah, there's a stopper on it. You have to be careful because it does come out quick. So 1, 2, 3, 4. It does end up being about a pea size. I don't know if you guys can see that. And then you're going to go in with the spatula and mix everything together. I might have put too much. Oh no, okay, maybe it's coming together. I feel like I might have put too much developer because it just kind of seemed kind of goopy. I think I'm gonna go in with 2 more shakes and maybe 1 more drop because I don't know if that's enough for 2 brows. Okay, this looks like a better consistency now that I did that. Okay, so it looks like it's ready to go. What I'm going to do is actually take it in with an eyebrow pencil, not the spatula. So I'm going to grab a good amount. And I'm going to just start applying it to my brows. You guys can see right there. Actually, let me turn this on. And you're going to want to place it just where you want the desired shape. And it made sense that she started on the outside first because that's where you want it the darkest, and then for it to fade in. So you can see it is dark already. I'm just going to go in and clean around where I don't want it to stain my skin. So you can see my eyebrows look intense. That's okay. Now we're gonna set a timer for 10 minutes. My phone's right here, so I'm gonna set the timer real quick. Timer 10 minutes. Okay. So that's for this brow. This other side should only take me about a minute to do, so that way I know I'm timing. Okay. You can kind of see this one is coming together. I don't know why this side is always so much harder for me. Okay, so after application, this is what they look like. Yes, they look intense. I do see that, but it's fine. Okay, so now we are going to just wait on the timer. I think I have, let's see, how long do I have? I have 7 minutes. I'm not gonna bore you these next 7 minutes, so I'm gonna go ahead and just kind of clean everything up, and when it's time to reveal these brows, I will come back. Okay guys, we have 20 seconds left on the timer. This is what they look like right now. They are very dark and scary. Even I have to say I am a little intimidated by them. Okay, it says 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Okay, timer is off. Now time to see how they look. So I did this one first. Okay, so with some micellar water, you're just going to put it on a cotton round right here. Nice and soaked. And then you are going, let me see where's the mirror. And then you are going to just take it off. So, okay, with my mirror right here, we're gonna go ahead and take this one off. Oh yeah, they're definitely darker. It's coming off. Oh, actually, I like that. I actually like that a lot. You can see, I gave my natural shape, the one that I usually go for. Actually, I really like this. I feel like it definitely filled in the spaces that I needed it to. Wow. Okay, so we're just gonna wait a couple more seconds because this one took a little bit longer, so I'm gonna probably wait like another 30 seconds before I remove this one. So I really like these. Next time I do feel like maybe I'll leave them on for another 2 more minutes. I like that it's gonna be like really easy to go. Okay, I think it's time to take off the other one. So let's take off the other one. Oh yeah, definitely like them. So you can see they're definitely darker. I'm just gonna let them dry so I can show you the true color of them afterwards. Okay, so now they are dry and this is what they look like. I actually really like them. This is just kind of nice, like I wake up refreshed and ready to go. Usually in the morning, sometimes I do feel like I need to fill in my brows just a little bit before I go, but with this done now I don't feel like I have to do that. Like I feel like I could just go out. This is what they look like, and normally if I just want to add in like a little bit of brow powder, this is kind of just what I would do. So I think this is actually perfect. I really like it, and it was only 15 bucks. Like this kit was 15 bucks and you get 12 applications out of that. So I don't know what 15 times 12 is, but that's a lot. So for $15 for 12 applications, I think that is great. I will go ahead and leave it linked down below for you guys to shop if you guys want to try this out. And if you guys did, please let me know how it goes for you. As you guys can see, I was like actually really nervous in the beginning, but I'm really happy with the way that they turned out. It's just a fresh look. I definitely like this. This is perfect for quarantine. And now that I know I can do it myself, I actually don't even think I would get it professionally done. I like the way it looks myself. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Bye.